Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about the importance of replacing your timing belt when recommended on your vehicle, as it can save you severe engine damage in the long run. Now, not every vehicle has a timing belt, so don't get too worried or start being concerned if you haven't done. You just need to check with your service provider and make sure it's done on your vehicle if it does have a timing belt at the recommended mileage or time interval. Most timing belts are recommended between 90 and 110,000 miles in that area, or every 7 to 8 years, depending on manufacturers. So just keep that in mind, and those are published, and you need to go over them. When doing a timing belt, it's extremely important to replace all components related to the timing belt. Everything from the water pump, if it's run by the timing belt, to idlers and tensioners, the hydraulic tensioner, any seals that might be compromised behind there, along with the belt. Timing belts do fail, as you can see with this timing belt, and all the ribs have been pulled off of it. So we do want to make sure these belts are replaced prior to coming apart. Interference motors can cause severe engine damage, and the cost of repair can go up extremely if a belt does break or pull the ribs off of it. Make sure your provider is also checking your belts, serpentine belts and idlers also, as they must come off for this service.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.